Hey guys, it's Rahul here, and it's not always that you see smartphone technology come to computers, but when you do, sometimes it can be a gimmick. Well, this time it's not. The My Lock Key fingerprint USB dongle from PQI brings the fingerprint unlock technology from our modern smartphones to Windows computers. It has full Windows Hello support and is FIDO certified. The fingerprint dongle is extremely easy to use, as setup only requires you to plug it in and register a fingerprint either through Windows Hello or through the PQI Fingerprint Manager software that is automatically downloaded. Their software allows for up to 10 fingerprints to be registered. The fingerprint sensor costs $28.99 USD on Amazon, and it's a fairly good price as other similar ones go for quite a bit more. Overall, my experience with the fingerprint sensor was really good. It has an exceptional build quality and has a metal case. It has a light to show that it is active and sensing, and the unlock times are faster than anyone could possibly type out their password or even a 4-digit PIN. It is highly secure, and the small size makes it easy to plug into your Windows laptop or desktop and forget about it. In my case, I use it for both my Alienware 15 laptop as well as my desktop. Thanks to the small size, I can have it plugged into one of the two USB 2.0 ports on my ancient keyboard and unlock it without any extra effort. Anyways guys, that is it for the review. I want to thank GMYLE for sending me this product. If you would like to purchase this, I have got links down below. Don't forget to check out GMYLE's awesome range of products over on their website, www.gmyle.com. With that, be sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, tap on that notification icon, and chuck in a comment or two down below. This is Rahul signing out. Peace.